Friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show and tell you how you can very easily enable or disable the call announcement feature on your iPhone. Friends, please be sure to put your likes, write comments at the end of this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get to our topic. And first of all, please open the phone settings on your iPhone, and then you'll need to scroll down until you find your phone and go into it. And here you will be able to see this kind of section called Call Announcement, and go to it please. And then you'll be able to see when you can turn on the call announcement feature. So you can turn it on always, which means when someone calls you, you will be announced. You can also choose when you're wearing headphones, for example, or when you're in the car, which is quite convenient by the way. Or when you're only wearing headphones or never. And this is where you choose the function, the section that you want. If you need to disable this function, you choose never. If you need to turn it on, then you choose one of the above. And this way, friends, you can easily turn off or turn on the call announcement feature on your iPhone. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please be sure to like yours, write comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.